Tak kenal maka tak sayang. Perkenalkan kelompok 4 yang beranggotakan Maria Gratia Agustin Hoi Lolon Muda, saya sendiri, dan teman saya Wahibah dan juga Refki.
I usually wake up at I.m. and went to the press center to check the daily score of briefings and process conferences usually held by the United Nations official or disaster mitigation team chef Alwi Shihab. It was challenging to visit different came to find some story human stories. Then I went back to the press counter in the between to cover the press conference of the day. It was heartbreaking when I saw the survivor fight for food and second-hand clothing, which they said were limited, and in the quiet emerging to eye glaring full noon. It was time to go back to the press counter to read stories and rest against time. I was fearing the internet connection will come crashing down, and after everything was done, only then I remember to eat. Most time I only ate on a day because you else had to cross, and it was difficult to find food. You had to travel quite for about 30 to 45 minute trip by car to find fish food. Number 1. How often did the waiter eat a day? A. 3 times. B. Seldom. C. Twice. D. Never. I. Once. Pembahasan berikut ini untuk soal nomor 1. Pada paragraf terakhir, I only eat answer a day because you always had to cross and the ways difficult to find food. Jadi jawaban yang tepat adalah 1 kali, once. Jawabannya Number 2, mitigation team chief always have. Paragraph 1, the synonym of the underlined word is A. decreases, B. lighter, C. reliever, D. developer, everyter. Pembahasan berikut untuk soal nomor 2. Persamaan yang tepat untuk kata mitigation keringanan adalah reliever. Jawabannya C.
3. What is the writer's occupation? A. A social worker. B. A volunteer. C. A journalist. D. Presenter. E. A TV reporter. Jawaban yang tepat adalah seorang jurnalis. Bisa diteliti dari kata keyword, first come first, finding soft story, fearing that the internet connection, yang menempatkan dunia jurnalistik. Jadi, jawaban yang tepat adalah a journalist, yaitu C. Brian, my roommate, and I had a great weekend. Last Saturday, we got up early and I had big breakfast. Then we took the bus to go downtown and went to an art museum. The museum opened at 9 o'clock and we stayed the early morning. We saw some beautiful paintings. We had a guide who explained everything to us. I liked all the art, but Ryan did like the modern art very much. I bought copies of the paintings. I'm going to put them on the wall of my bedroom. At 1 o'clock, we went hungry, so we had lunch at the museum cafeteria. After lunch, we took a walk in the park near the museum. We went home at 5 o'clock. We were very tired, but we had a good time. On Sunday, we stayed home and studied. 4. What did the writer and his roommate do last weekend? A. They had a big dinner. B. They went to an art museum. C. They watched people painting. D. They worked part-time as a guide. E. They worked part-time in a cafeteria. Pertanyaan, what did the writer and his roommate do last weekend? Apa yang dilakukan penulis dan teman sekamarnya di akhir pekan lalu? Yang dilakukan penulis adalah pergi ke museum seni. They went to an art museum. Jawaban yang tepat ialah B.
5. The main idea of the second paragraph is A. The museum only displayed modern art. B. A guide accompanied the visitors. C. The writer liked all the art displayed at the museum. D. The guide helped visitors to buy the painting displayed. E. Ryan and his roommate liked all the beautiful paintings at the museum. Jadi jawabannya adalah C, karena ide pokok paragraf kedua adalah the writer liked all the art displayed at the museum. 6. Which of the following you don't agree with about Ryan? A. Ryan liked all the art displayed. B. Ryan was the writer's roommate. C. Ryan and the writer had a great weekend. D. Ryan and the writer went to an art museum. E. Ryan and the writer had lunch at the museum cafeteria. Jadi jawabannya adalah A, karena pernyataan yang tidak sesuai dengan Ryan adalah Ryan liked all the art displayed.